Welcome to Easy Fresh Salad. Today we will be making fantasy fruit salad. This is the best fruit salad ever. It is best for summers. It's an incredibly refreshing must-have side dish that's made with beautiful blend of fresh fruits and a simple dressing to complement it. You will need 1/4 watermelon cut bite size, half muskmelon cut bite size, 1 mango cut bite size, 1 apple cut bite size, 1 cup grapes cut into halves, half cup pomegranate, 20 to 30 mint leaves, 1 lime, 2 to 3 tablespoons sugar or honey. Here I have used whatever fruits I had available. For best results, only use fresh fruit, not frozen, in this fruit salad. Frozen fruit is mushy and watery once thawed, so it won't work the same here, unfortunately. Keep in mind though that you can use other fruits that are in the season. It's a versatile recipe. You can use watermelon with seeds. These seeds are harmless. Always use ripened fruit. Don't add any bitter or tangy fruit. Add bananas only if serving immediately. We will use lime zest here. When you zest the lime with a cheese grater, chances are you will end up with some white pith of the lime peel, which will make the fruit salad taste bitter. Use a zester or use light pressure. Sugar is optional. You can use honey instead. Add them based on how sweet the fruits are. This is always a crowd favorite. Kids will love this fruit salad and it's an easy way to get them to eat plenty of fruits at once. I love how all fruits, especially apple and watermelon, blends with lime zest and mint. I would like to thank every one of you for liking our channel. We have now 50 plus subscribers. Thanks for all the love. Do try this recipe and let me know in the comments how you liked it. I will see you in the next recipe. Till then, eat fresh, stay healthy. If you like the recipe, you can support me by liking, subscribing and commenting.